Well, hello, devs, and welcome to this episode of POPcode Maker's Pathboy app. Now, today I want to just jump right in and show you the Pathboy app prototype to see all the functionality that I have so far with this project. So, as you can see in the middle of this grid, we have a gold Python logo. And so this is our goal, GOAL, and it's also kind of got a dark gold background. So I'm going to use those words interchangeably, goal and gold, because that's what we're going for when we're trying to win the game. Okay, so the object of the game is to eat the gold. So, is to get the gold. So we're gonna have a little pack boy, come up on the screen when we hit start, and it's gonna be up in the top left corner. Okay. And so as we go along, we're gonna see some decoys start popping up as we go. So say, and these are my navigations. I can go up, down, left, and right. So I'm gonna go down initially, and as you can see, it starts popping up all these decoys. Now decoys, so when we think decoys, we say, okay, decoys, well, that's really they're trying to get you. You can eat them, but that's not really what you're going for, right? So that's why I call it a decoy. And so as we're going along, we get to we're just trying to get to the goal. Now, the crazy part about it is while you're trying to get to it, um, one of these decoys might pop up on top of your goal, or you're gonna get a little I keep wanting to say minion, but one of these Among Us characters, and they're also going to be, but in the code it's called blockers. So I'll show you the code, and you'll see it in the code review video. But for right now, I just wanted to show you the prototype and just basically explain the game. I'm really excited about it. It's my first kind of like game that doesn't really um, involve any like copying of anybody else's code. So I'm really excited about it to kind of do it from scratch and off the cuff. So, I mean, it's functional code. It's not fancy. So that's that's kind of my thing. But I'm also actually gonna do videos on cleaning up code, um, segmenting code, getting in an OOP, things like that. Just showing the transition from just regular like sequential to OOP, structural, and things like that. But anyway, I digress. Let's get back to the game. So here in this game, once I move away from what I've eaten, right, I go on to the next. Then the next one appears. My next goal appears. So I need to get to that, and hopefully I can get to it within 7 steps. Because if I don't get into it in 7 steps, what happens is I will end up losing points. I get 100 points every time that I eat one. I lose points if I don't get to it in 7 steps. Or if I eat a one of these little things, if I go over one of these, um, then I also lose points. So we gotta avoid the blockers because they might pop up in the way, or they might be surrounding it to where you have to go around and do all this finagling to get to it. So that's what I kind of like about this. I'm using the random module. I'm using a lot of different things here, and you'll see in the code review. All right, so I'm gonna keep on going along. As you can see, I can't do two things at one time. I can't talk and play the game. Well, I kind of can, but then it's a little bit challenging. So I ate it, right? So I get to 100, but because I'm at the 7, so it's not gonna give me the full 100. So here, one thing about this game is that, and I apologize for me being in the dark. It's kind of late at night, and I'm not turning on any lights. And you don't need to see me; you just need to see the game. So I'm gonna go to the right. Oh, I'm going to the right. Well, that's the edge of the game. How am I going to go to the right? So when I hit the right arrow, you can see Oh, I end up spawning over to the left side. Okay, so that's the neat thing about this, and it kind of resembles Pac-Man because in Pac-Man, you got these little corridors, and if you go through the corridor, guess what happened? You wrap around to the other side, you come out the other side, and that's how you can kind of dodge um the little ghost little things. So we don't have ghosts, we have little Among Us characters. Okay. And so and then that puts, sometimes it's gonna put me closer to my goal. So that's the one nice thing about spawning from one side to the next. And just I can do this in less than 7, so this is awesome. And we just hope I've actually accidentally spawned into like um, into a minion. Like I spawned and then I ate it. So like, and I keep saying minions, so forgive me. I mean the Among Us characters, and I got pink, I got black, and I got purple popping up all over the place. And so that's what's going on there. Um, so there is a possibility if you work the code and you work the steps. Sometimes you can't just like click, 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 and just to get there. You have to strategize and think of the shortest amount of way possible. Like here, I wouldn't go left, just to get to this one, right? There is a hack, and I'll tell you about the hack that you know, if you hit the start button, you go back to the start, right? So if you hit the start, you can go back to the start, and then you skip steps. You don't have to take like 5 steps. Like if you went here, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it would take you 8 steps to get to this going a traditional kind of route. But if I went to the right, I can spawn over to the right, right? And that will take me, and then go down, that will take me to it faster as well. Okay, so I want you to keep that in mind when we're trying to um, get to this goal. All right. Okay, so, and as you can see, I got the 650. Keep going along, and you level up when you get to 3,000. So because I'm talking, I'm kind of going slower than normal. See, it's at the start, so I'm gonna just hit start, and I get to it a lot quicker, and boom, I get my little 100 points, and I don't lose 50 points for taking a long time to get there. So that's a nice thing. If I go to traditional route, I see stuff popping up, and I only get 50 points. So just pay attention and keep that in mind as you're playing the game. It's awesome. I like it. Maybe because it's mine, I'm a little biased, but yeah, I really like this game. I hope you like it. Comment. Let me know what you think. Thoughts um about the prototype. Okay, I would love to hear from you, the viewer. All right. See you in the next one. And until then, just keep on popping all that code.